All right, and so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this metal detector. Now, this has 7 target categories, 4 operation modes, 11-inch waterproof search coil, 3 types of different metal detection, and it's for forest, grass, or beach. Metal detector, definitely pretty amazing to get. So let's start our treasure hunt. Let's open this up and see what comes inside of this box. Cut, cut, cut. So we have, oh wow, Jello. I like it already. My wife loves Jello. So this has washers on it, and this is looks like some type of pole. This, look at that, they included a 9-volt battery. That's great. This is a carrying case. Wow, there's 2 9-volt batteries, so it probably needs both. This is a carrying case for the metal detector. The owner's manual, the most important part. If you're doing this, metal detecting is not easy, so you will 100% want to look through this and learn everything about it, about the control box, about this, how everything works. Now to the good stuff. Look at this. We got, looks like some digging tools. Yeah. So this is an included shovel to dig up your finds. Very nice. Got an extension arm there with a carrying case as well that can go on your belt. This is a set of headphones so that you can hear without having to just listen to this. You can plug in the headphones. And then down in here, the actual metal detector. So here's the main box, control box. This is where you set everything up. Your batteries go back here. It does take both of them, hence the 2 connectors. So you put both your batteries in, and then you're able to plug this little cable into here, and it all talks to one another and works. And then lastly, down in here looks to just be everything else. Yeah, that's it for the box. So in here we have another pole, that's where that pole attaches. And then the main handle part right here. So you're able to adjust this however you need. This part can rest nicely right here. And yeah, this all plugs into this. Very nice. And then that's your coil for your metal detector. And this little cable just goes up the pole. And like I said, plugs in to the back of this. So this is everything that comes inside of this metal detector kit. Again, special thanks to this company who sent me this metal detector to unbox and show you everything in here. Make sure you read over the manual so you can put it all together and really get an understanding of how this works. But at the end of the day, very nice, very high quality metal detector from what I can tell. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.